Bishop David Oyedepo, the founder and presiding bishop of Living Faith Church worldwide, revealed that the private jets used by the church were not acquired through offerings, fundraisings, or financial appeals. Oyedepo made this known during his address at the annual Shiloh Program 2024 edition. He attributed the accusation solely to divine intervention. He emphasized that the first aircraft was given to the church without any prayer or financial appeal, stating that the accusation was solely orchestrated by God. First aircraft without any prayer, without any idea that the aircraft was coming. He said it, he delivered it. Nobody had any pressure on his life. There was no reminder on the offering. The offering didn't buy it all. God bought it. There was no person contacted under heaven, Oyedepo stated. Bishop Oyedepo further clarified that the aircraft acquisition was divinely orchestrated, stating it was not influenced by human intentions or financial appeals. If God asks me, we will travel around Africa with it, he said. However, Shiloh 2024 continues to be a platform for spiritual growth and impactful revelations, demonstrating how the church operates under divine guidance and principles. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.